Show me in the Bible where Jesus collected money to pray for somebody, or when one of his disciples collected money for somebody to pray for that person. Show me in the Bible. Jesus said, Matthew chapter 10, 8, flee you receive, flee you will give. Don't collect money for anybody to pray for them. And now go to social media. On TikTok, you will see prophetess and prophet. You will see so many ministers of God on TikTok. They will be telling you, send me gift. When you send me gift, I will prophesy. Send me gift, send me gift, send me gift. Send me coins on TikTok. Oh, what is happening to this generation? Many people have turned Christianity into business. Before you see a prophet, before you see a pastor, you will sow seed to see him or her. This is not the gospel of the Lord Jesus Christ. Even when Jesus died, the disciples, they did not use their gift to do business in their own time. Many people that don't have money, they will not go and meet pastor, because they know say if they won't go meet that pastor, they don't have money to offer. They will be stranded to go and see a messenger of God. No! This is not the message that Jesus taught us.